Corny style kegs are great for much more than beer. Due to their high pressure rating, they can easily be converted and used for sprayers for many different industries, such as pest control, window tinting, carpet cleaning, fertilizers, and more. The keg needs to be outfitted with a 19 32nd inch by 18 thread type. All of our new kegs have this size threading and pitch, so if you're buying everything new, you're good to go. Simply start by unscrewing the post from the keg that you'll be replacing with the threaded fitting. Make sure to leave the dip tube and O-ring in the keg. Then secure the 1/4 inch male flared fitting in its place and secure with a wrench. You are now ready to attach anything that accepts a 1/4 inch male flared fitting to your keg and begin pressurizing through the gas inside or spray through the liquid outside.